Okay, let me connect and try to see if it works. It's not. Let me try something else. I want to be sure that it's working. Okay. It's opening here, but I need to open the Figma app so I can see if it's editing. Still waiting on opening. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Figma is slow.
Yeah.
But basically, also this first part should be built, right?
Yeah, let's discuss this. Currently, our goal, first of all, create the full user journey with main features. Main features, that's discussion with AI assistant Hypnos, record our dream, immerse ourselves in this dream, understand the value of essence of this dream gives, and save this dream. That's the core line. After that, we have some storytelling step. That's the point where we can more discuss and create storytelling like user interactions with magical sphere. I want to create this interaction very much. I think the most cool experience we can create in this art context, that's art context where we have our magical sphere and can interact with that magical sphere like a mage in some world.
Yeah.
And
but
I think, yeah.
The magical sphere is created by you, right?
That's Alex, the VFX artist from Luna.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And he will create also the interaction with it?
Yeah, right now we create this one stage where we show the reveal of generated world.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we create this interaction with touch interaction. And I want implement this interaction in our user journey on second step. For example, when we receive some question about our dream, we can put our hand on the magic sphere and tell some symbols and remembers of this dream. And I think I won't create wow experience in this moment where feel that your hand on this magic sphere, you tell something like, I remember the forest, and bam, the forest generate as a 2D image inside magical sphere, and after that you tell something. I remember the ocean, and bam, the forest blends to the ocean in AI generated content. And I think that can feel very cool, because you like a mage, you wish any visual, and this magic sphere generate this visual.
Okay, yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense.
Yes. And the second space where we can create some storytelling. That's the about section. Right now, that's just a bullet point of main features. In second step, I want to produce some AI generation movie and show them inside this magic sphere.
Mm-hmm.
I want to create some fairy tales, some tales, some myths about this project to immerse our users, create some myths about hipness, and mostly I want to concentrate not about the dream themselves.
Mm-hmm.
I want focus it on the field of consciousness.
Okay, yes, I understand. For some reason, the Figma is not opening at all.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay. We can summarize some facts and insights about the scenario and waiting.
Yeah, basically, from what I understand, Paul, sorry to interrupt you, is that we have two versions. Version number one, that is going to be the MVP, the one that you want to launch first.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be a second version that is also going to have the two separate interactions, the one that you reveal and the one that you touch, and some other things like the storytelling and some other things. But there are two steps, right? First of all, we need to have in production, so in Apple Vision Pro, we need to have the first one. And we are going to go with the second one.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So what I would do is I will try to get access to Figma. Otherwise, if I don't get to copy paste and things like this from the Figma, I'm going to ask for access from I don't remember the guy that you told me has access. Miroslav, right? He has access to Figma. So I will ask Miroslav to give me access, and then I will start also with the mirror link. If you can give me again, it would be amazing, the mirror link. And I will start with both, and I will try to create an idea, a concept, right, with both versions.
Cool. Let's show you some ideas about user interaction you can implement in your ideas also. I think about creating the low ornament, the simple one, and the staple view in this combined with buttons. And I think about implement tags, some variations inside this upper section. And in each step where you, for example, interact with your project, for example, in this stage, we have something like that. We have button in this lower ornament. And I think as a variation, we can all choosing show in this section. In this section, we can just speak with AI or open calendar or settings. In this section, we can choose some variation. For example, in this one, we have a save button and immersive button. We can add this button as a text inside this upper section.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. What do you think about this iteration where we show all these buttons inside this upper section?
Yeah, it can be an idea.
Okay.
I need to focus a little bit on it and to take a step back and think, because I would really like for it, because uh, you know I think just yesterday when we had our discussion, I understood the complexity and everything from the project. Until this point, I didn't understand the entire flow and everything. Now it's clear.
Yeah.
And
cool.
It's really clear, and not only it's clear, but I really like it. So it's a very nice idea, and I really want, and I think this is exactly what you want. Is I really want this app to have a great success and to be great from the and to be great from the beginning. Because even though it's not my app, I want to try to help somehow to make it. How nice is the idea? Like it's a very interesting concept, and it's something that personally I would pay to use. Like if it's something like up to $10, I would pay just to use, because it seems like fun, right?
Yeah. I think that's good strategy, good feeling. Let's make our next step and create some wow.
Yeah, I want to get a little bit on it and focus. So what I will do is I will connect in Figma. Please send me the mirror link if it's possible, and we will talk again tomorrow also with Razvan. But what I want from you is, if it's possible, in the weekend to have one more discussion together.
Yeah, of course.
Me and you.
Yeah, of course.
I would propose Sunday. Why? Because next week I will be off the entire week. I'm going on vacation for a few days. So I will work through the weekend to finalize some versions, so we can discuss it on Sunday. Make some updates together if it's the case. Otherwise, if everything is alright, I can provide the designs to Razvan, and he can start creating parts of the flow, so we can move faster, and to not be a blocker the fact that next week I'm offline.
Cool.
If we need the call next week, I will try to get to be on the hotel, to have Wi-Fi, and to get in a call for a few minutes. But if it's not needed, I will get out of the calls as much as possible. But otherwise, I will join you if it's something.
Thank you for
needed.
that.
No worries. So I'm trying to connect right now. I think it's an error from my side with Figma. I will try to join Figma again. I think something happened here, and if it works to copy paste, I will copy paste on my personal account the designs, and I will create a file that I will share with you with what versions I came. Otherwise, if it's not working, we will wait for Miroslav to give me access to the Figma.
Yeah, cool.
Perfect.
Let's do it. Thank you for your time and your joy. Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm really excited to Paul, and I think it would be really amazing. And why not? If this is going to be a great collaboration and a success on the app, let's continue doing it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Have a nice day.
We'll talk in messages. Keep in touch, Paul.